And they're off. Our Caravan is heading for the early lead. So too Fabulous Kid. Commissioner has some early speed, but backs out of there to give Fabulous Kid the early lead here. So it's Fabulous Kid out there 3/4 of a length. Our Caravan prompting the pace while running in second. I wish you well on the outside third. Tonalist is very eager to go and making strides quickly on the rail. Room at the inside for Tonalist, who's coming right up to Fabulous Kid. Our Caravan runs in third, and then it's Commissioner fourth on the inside. I wish you well. Matterhorn being nudged along. Tapacero trails the field. So it's Tonalist who's gone to the lead very early in the game here and steps out by 3.5 lengths after a 23-3 opening quarter mile. Fabulous Kid and Our Caravan getting closer as Joel Rosario tries to slow it down here with the front runner, Tonalist. Meanwhile, there's room at the inside for Commissioner. And in the clear on the outside, I wish you well. A break of 3 back to Matterhorn, who's been pushed along most of the way. Less than a half mile remaining, 5 lengths to Longshot Tapacero. So it's Tonalist still the controlling speed and up again a 3-length lead here as I wish you well makes a move on the outside with 3 furlongs to go, and Commissioner now is putting in his bid. Matterhorn is getting traction now, and here he comes. Matterhorn moving strongly on the far outside. Coming to the top of the stretch. It is Tonalist to catch as the field turns for home. Commissioner comes through and opening down toward the inside. I wish you well. Matterhorn fourth. Tonalist first. Coming into the final furlong here of the Peter Pan. And he kicks away again with 3-length lead. Commissioner, I wish you well, and Matterhorn all left in the muddy wake of Tonalist, who glides under the wire at the end. He won by 3.5. Commissioner finishing second. It was close for third between I Wish You Well and Matterhorn.